friends, today I will show you how to increase 1000 and more subscribers daily. First, go to Play Store and search for CiTech and install it on your phone. After installing, open it and
Never thought that we'd go this far. Don't stop now. And reaching for a distant star. Don't stop now. Isn't it strange how we're safe and home? Today counting days until a second glow. If you're gonna make a change, you have to let me know. Turn this shit around, start it up below.
log in. If you are not registered, then first register yourself by enter username and password. Then log in with your username and password. Here you see you can increase Facebook like post. Increase Twitter followers. Increase YouTube likes and subscribers. Here I have already earned 40 points. You have to first earn points, then you can promote your channel for subscribers. Just click on Earn Points and log in with any Gmail ID and passwords and just click in subscribe buttons and close by clicking tap on X and you earn 20 points on each subscribe. Now, I will tell you how you can promote your channel. Go to menu, click on promote and click on add new.
Never thought that we'd go this far. Don't stop now.
Now go to YouTube tab, enter your channel link which you want to increase subscribes, click on send now. Then confirm your channel and select subscriber quantity. That's it. Remember, this will take 2 to 4 hours to increase your subscribers. Thank you for watching.